had the old storage heaters where the heat was on in the daytime and not in the nighttime. So for us, we're out most of the day, so we wanted something that we were able to control. And after speaking to someone on the phone, someone kind of came out pretty quickly. And we met Dave and he explained to us how it all worked, and we were pretty happy. We decided to go ahead with it. I found the installation process pretty straightforward. It didn't take any time at all, and it was two guys. They were great. They were really tidy. One of the reasons we went for this was because of the heat app. If I wanted to change the heat in the hallway, in the kitchen, I can totally control that. I'm not very techy, but it's quite an easy app to use and to edit and to control. We've just been away on holidays for a week, so I was able to just to deactivate it all. So it means I'm not wasting any energy whilst we're away. But then on the way back from the airport, I'm able to switch it on. So when I come in the front door, it's nice and warm. We decided to go along with Dave. Not only was it that we just found him really, really genuine, and also it was a family business. It was a 25-year guarantee. It had a seal of approval from Which and stuff like that. It was recommended. It was on the top 5 of our Google searches. And when we kind of done a little bit of research, we found that this was the good crowd that we could trust. We really liked the fact that there was like so many different sizes and colours. Dave is really quite helpful and quite enthusiastic, because he'd seen we bought a new apartment and he thought that these ones would look really good, and he was right. It's very good, it does keep me warm. So would I recommend Northwest Heating? Definitely. From start to finish, after our first consultation online, then meeting Dave, and then also meeting the team that came out and installed them, Steve. It was really good, and we had a couple of queries that we had to contact the office with, and they were really, really helpful. So yeah, I definitely recommend them. Definitely a good investment.
Request your free information pack now on our website by following the link below, or request your free survey by calling us on 01244 371 445.